Hello, this is iFIXsmartphone.com. Today I was kind of working on the damage the backlight for iPhone screen, and I just decided to take a video. So it's already in the half of the repair. I kind of stopped and kind of like do this just to show you. Anyway, what we got here is the water damaged screen phone. So it's pretty minor, but it applies to pretty much every phone with a backlight issue. This is battery is low, so it's gonna be dead pretty soon. But anyway, this phone had a mild water damage, and you can see it's got some spots in here. It's not very visible, but it is kind of like visible in a way, so it does bother people. And if you go in the dark mode, it's hard to see. But anyway, so this has to be fixed. So a lot of times when you take it to the repair shop, they'll just tell you to replace the whole screen with an aftermarket screen to save some money and for them to save the cost. But this is the original genuine screen, just has a backlight damaged, so the LCD quality and all that, you kind of want to keep that as it is. So to save that, we replace the backlight only. We do have the backlight module, and I'm going to show you that it can be done. So let's see here. I already took that off, and I took the front camera shield off, and you can clearly see there's a damage. There's water got in there a lot. So, but luckily the board is fine, and just top part right here slightly damaged. Other than that, phone is still fully functional. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the backlight. Let me show you how to do it. So I got the screen out. So this module here needs to be replaced, and the whole backlight module comes in with a 3D touch panel and a home button flags. And obviously you have to solder that to the this flex right here. So got this soldered, and make sure you don't damage this flex right here. It's now time to heat it up. Alright, so this is my beloved hot plate. You want to put it around 80 to 90. Right now I don't have to worry about the backlight panel getting wrinkled up because this is going to be replaced. So I'm just going to leave it on there for a period of time just to loosen the glue, then we'll lift. Alrighty, so it's been heated up. I vacuum seal it. Make sure it gets stuck good. Pretty hot now, so alright, I got it off, and so I still have to peel this off, but okay, the backlight panel is fine. So it looks like the digitizer connector is still okay, but I'm gonna peel this off and I'll show you. Okay, so I'm almost there. You can see that line, so that's good enough to affect your visibility to the screen. And this backlight panel, the 3D touch panel, is clearly water damaged. So I'm gonna keep on peeling this off. Okay, so it's cleaned up. Looks like a mirror. Make sure there's no dust. I like to leave this on there because it gives you extra. It's just another like thin layer of plastic. There's no like bulging, nothing. It's just flat paper. So it actually does give extra protection. And then it's just too much risk to remove that and make that crack or crack the digitizer sensor. So if it's on there, it's fine. If it comes off while you're peeling this off, great. because it's just gonna be on top of that. So I'll put that on there. Okay, the back panel has been replaced. Now the backlight circuit has been soldered. Put this tape over it so it doesn't get shorted. So that's it. So we'll just assemble and see the result. Okay, before putting the screen back in, even though this phone is not waterproof, it's semi-water resistant, and we do put the seals back. Make sure it gets sealed properly. So we'll put this seal on. Okay, screen's on there, and before I close everything, put the shield back and everything, I want to just test and show you. We'll fast forward this. Okay, so the phone has powered on. Touch is working. So I don't know if you remember, but there was a water damage spot, but right now it's clearly gone. And let me see if I can bring back full widescreen. So there it is. Problem fixed. And is this worth it? Yes, because you're keeping the original screen, original LCD, so it keeps the same picture quality. So this is the best way to fix that problem, rather than getting some aftermarket screen and you're devaluing yourself for that device. So if you have any questions and want me to fix your phone, please contact me at ifixsmartphone.com or drop us a comment. Thank you. Hey, here's the final product. Alrighty. Actually, it's white screen, so it's good. You can see pretty clear. It's plain white. So I say this is another successful repair. Thank you.